The long and short of it contains two basic units of rhythm, the quarter note or crotchet and the eighth note or quaver. An eighth note is half the length of a quarter note and so twice as fast. Dividing a rhythmic unit into smaller equal rhythmic units is called subdividing. The smaller unit is called the subdivision. When we subdivide, it's really important that we chop the note up into equal parts. When sharing the cake, we all want an equal slice. So the quarter notes need to last for exactly one beat, and the eighth notes for exactly half a beat, making two equal eighth notes in each beat. In order to make this subdivision work really well, we need to think about how we use the bow, how we keep the sound consistent, and how we keep everything organized and in control. If a note is half the length of another note, then we need to use half the amount of bow for it. This is called bow division. How much bow we use depends on the time values of the notes. Dividing the bow successfully so that it is proportional to the note values means that we can keep the sound nice and even. We maintain the same speed of bow movement even if the notes get longer or shorter. The long and short of it has 5 different combinations of rhythm patterns and string crossings. Pay lots of attention to the string crossings. Sometimes we cross the strings on a quarter note pattern, sometimes on an eighth note pattern, and so the speed of the crossing will be different. Try not to let the string crossings affect the accuracy of your rhythm, the evenness of your subdivision, and the regularity of your pulse. Once you are feeling confident with each pattern, try playing and saying long or short out loud at the same time.